guys, today we're trying to find the murderer of the dog. Yes, my grandmother dog is dead. Let me show you. I mean puppy. Yes. It's just dead. Okay? Just okay? Okay? Scary, right? Poor. I feel sad to him now. So that's what we're trying. We're trying to find the dog that will murder him. And also, it's a mystery. Only the real detective knows this. My cousin is scared. And then, my other cousin is angry. Oh! The dog. That his brother. Hey, you're his brother, right? Okay, I need you to tell me who did it. Was it you? Very seems that you're happy of his death, right? Don't try run away. You're the culprit. Okay, you're going to catch him. Okay, back on track. Okay. Was it you? He's pretty angry at his death. See, we can tell. I can tell. And then two of his brothers saying they're going to say after. Yes. Oh, the dog are chasing me. Yeah. Wait. So guys, this is the end of the video and bye.